This time on Beat Up Builds, we take this old subwoofer stuff I had laying around and see if we can fit it into this truck. Alright, so here's the 10-second plan. This I'm going to try and put here, and then this amp, I think what I'm going to do is try and mount it under the passenger seat here. That seems to be the best location. I'm doing this a little ghetto. I'm trying to put it under the seat, so I'm thinking of screwing it onto this board here, kind of like that. And then this back piece is gonna hang over there's a bar that runs across, and like the bar turns to like unlock the seat if you go forward or back. So I think I'm just gonna try and hook this part under it and then make like a tab or something here just to hold it to the seat. And I think that's kind of going to be it, because I'd like to be able to, you know, like unbolt the one tab and just slide it out. That way I can get to the connections or whatever. I don't have to like take the seat out. So that's kind of my plan. Here's my temporary solution. You can see the bar that runs over there. Put a piece of rubber hose over it, take up a little bit of room, and also so it doesn't bang around as much. And then temporarily, I've got just a zip tie on here to keep it from coming forward and to hold it up. I'll make a bracket for this, but for now I'm going to try it out here, see how it works out. But that's going to be our mounting there. Save you guys the pain of the wiring thus far. So I got power around remote. They go under there, they go up, the kick panel will cover that. I kind of have this run, I'll have to zip tie it up. The RCA cables or whatever you want to call them. So now it's just speaker wiring. If I turn the key on, there's a light on the amp that isn't lighting up, which is worrying me a little. But I think I'm just gonna hook the speaker up, see what happens. Alright, I got the wiring buttoned up under the hood. Now it was just simple. Ran all this. This is mostly finalized. I need to do something with that wire to make it a little neater. And here's my speaker wire, it's just laying back there. I gotta run that, and then I have to run I gotta run it back here, make a box, and that's kind of where we're at. I hooked the subwoofer up for a minute and got everything working, so it does work, which gives me the motivation to make a box. But it's like 1 in the morning and I need to go to work tomorrow. So we're gonna stop here, pick up tomorrow, make a box. It's a new day. I've got the first piece marked out on my wood. I'm gonna cut the square out, and then I'm gonna mark out the subwoofer on it for the face. Not much of a carpenter, but that'll work. So I put the subwoofer on there, traced around it, and then I kind of freehanded a little circle. So we're gonna drill on the inner circle to hopefully pop that center out, and then hopefully that'll slide down in, because I want it to, it's really supposed to mount the other way, but I want it to push it out a little bit more so I have more room. So let's drill 9 million holes. I might have a jigsaw, let me look. I couldn't find a blade for my jigsaw. I have a nice jigsaw I forgot I had. So this is what I used. I drilled 9 million holes. it works. You don't need the fanciest tools. You just need a lot of patience. And it's kind of circular. Hello! And that's what you get. Let's see if it fits. There's a good chance it won't fit the first try. Well, I'll be damned. It fit the first try. Wow. So it'll be something like that. Actually, the other way, because I'm going to put the crappy side in. Woo! So here's a test fit just to get an idea of what it looks like, how it's going to fit. Looks pretty good. I do feel some magnetism there. I'm hoping that it's not too close to the quarter panel. Maybe I'll try and slide a piece of wood back there or something to test that theory. So sadly I've run out of time again tonight. What I did is I connected the subwoofer up here. The wires are connected, there's just no box built in it. And I'm gonna see what it sounds like tomorrow on the way to work. It does work, so that's awesome. It'll be interesting to see the difference between no box and then kind of a box. So let's see what that's like tomorrow. Looks like this is gonna be my best bet. This is for a lamp, but I really need a tight profile. So I think what I'm gonna do is I have some angle pieces. I'm gonna rivet those on and then screw them down. And then I have some foam here to gasket it up. And then this is gonna be a little bit of like a port. So it's gonna be a ported box sphere. And then maybe for the second box, whenever I get to that, and God knows how long, maybe I'll use a wooden salad bowl or something. But that's what we're gonna do. Let's make it happen. We got it all set up. We got three. I only had 3 rivets, so it's 3. I got foam around here. This is corded. Got the wires coming out of it just because that was easy. And we're gonna stick it back in. Hopefully it fits. We got the subwoofer in, it sounds awesome. The weird box thing is working out good. It sounds great, I'm happy with it. It cost me next to nothing to put it in. So very happy with that. It's not the best way to do it, but this is how normal people would do it if they just grabbed some stuff and tried to do it. So hopefully in the future, probably be a couple years down the road, we'll make a cool box and a nice panel and whatever, but this is gonna be good for now. So you guys like, comment, subscribe, tell me how hacked this is, and I'll reply back.